Keep the organization still going in our kitchens, in our bathrooms, in our refrigerators, pretty much anywhere. Cella to the rescue. A set of two, which I love a set of two, high wall rolling fridge and pantry bins with dividers as well. So you are getting that set of two. I'm going to pull this one out so you can kind of see. Hold on, Queenie, give me 1 second here. Just so you can see what we're talking about, because these ones are all full. I just want you to see what it is that we're getting here. You're getting two of these. You see that on the back side? That's because we have little wheels, so you can go ahead and pull this in and out of cabinets, refrigerators, freezers, and beyond. There are dividers, so when you want to go ahead and divide it up, you can. If you're just using one at a time, they can stack into each other, but let me go ahead and take you through colors. So I have it for you here. This is going to be your redwood. And then I think it might be best if we do it on QVC.com. Yeah, guys? Just because these are all full. Yeah, let's do .com. Here we go. There's your green tea. Now you can see those dividers. That is glacier gray. That is sky blue. Oh, that's all she wrote. K90450. Jen Kovich is back with us. Hello again, my friend.
Hi. So
I like these.
I love these, and I knew that you would have items for the fridge and for the freezer because these are both obviously fridge and freezer safe.
Yeah.
So it's great for if you buy your salmon from Egg Harbor and you have them shipped in a bag, but they're individually sealed. What do you do with those? You don't want to leave them in the bag. Go ahead and divide them out here. But what I also encourage you to do is think of the pantry. So when it comes to your pantry organization, here we've created in our home, we have a breakfast bin. So if it's your Genius Gourmet and you want to grab a breakfast bar on the way out the door, or maybe it's your Bobo's, we have our pancake mix, our muffin mix, but it's just quick and easy so that when we need to go ahead and sort through basically starting our day to get out the door so much quicker, we just simply go to the bin, wheel it out in our pantry, take out what we need and push it back. Or thanks to the use of the helper handles, you get a helper handle in the back, and then you get that lip here in the front that you can now take it right to wherever you're going to be baking your oven or your muffins or your pancakes or whatever it is that you're doing.
Good capacity. Is there a weight limit on these? Up to 10
10
pounds
pounds.
each. Okay.
Yeah.
I love
So
that.
you have it there with your roar. So it's great for your roar, your juice boxes, your water bottles. If you have those flavored seltzer sodas, you can put those in there. Because every single time that you need something, I mean, think about it. When you're in the refrigerator, or maybe it's the spices in your cabinet, and you're having to move the first 5, 6, 7 things out of the way in order to get to the one thing that you need all the way in the back. Wouldn't it be so much easier to keep things where they need to be in the order of which they are, but then you just simply need to lift the front and wheel this whole vessel to you, so then you can simply take out that oil or take out that spice in the back and then push it right back.
I gotta say, I love this high wall design, the way it like slopes on down. So the taller stuff you put in the back so you can see it. Nothing's gonna spill on over, and then let it all taper down. It does come with dividers as well. Is it 3 dividers each?
Yes, it's 3 dividers each, so you'll get 6 dividers total, and it doesn't really matter the order in which that you put them in, but they're nice and tall, so that way they'll fit between that lower section all the way up to that higher section, which goes up to almost 6 inches in height. And here's another thing to keep in mind is this is 15 inches in depth.
Okay.
So it's not going to fit in your upper cabinet, but it is brilliant for your lower cabinet. So even if it's under the kitchen sink and it's the cleaning supplies, or maybe it's the items like I have here, seasonal items like my nutcrackers that I bring out only during the holidays. All of my, like this one says buffalo chicken dip, because last time we hosted, we used these chalkboards for our buffalo chicken dip. It's, our chocolate mallet and things like that that we don't use all the time, but I need them to stay organized. So having them in a lower cabinet, I just simply open the cabinet, lift the front, pull it towards me, and I can see everything because of that clear acrylic construction. Everything I can see, it's all visible. I can divide it however I need to. I can make longer sections, shorter sections. It's totally up to you because it is fully customizable. And you can actually see all of the notches there along the side of the different locations that those can go in. Those incredible wheels you can see right there. And it's just a wonderful item. And I always joke about this because usually we keep this one in the bottom of our pantry on the floor. And
Oh,
this is a true story and it's awful, but what
oh,
my boys do is they take their toes, they curl under the lip and they pull it towards them. They bend down, take out what they need, and they push it right back with their foot. Like, these are durable too.
that's the most boy thing I've ever heard in my entire life. Teenage boy
Right?
thing I've ever heard in my entire life.
True story though. I know. At least they have socks on. Listen,
Okay,
it's
all right, then
first
it's
thing in the
all
morning.
okay.
That's it.
So you're only choosing color, you making left, choosing the color by that antimicrobial liner. Here's the blue sky, 200 remain there. There's glacier gray, 200 remaining. Green tea, 150 remaining, and then redwood 450. Clearance price, no reorder on this. The easy pays at the end of the day are $4. K90450. All right, Jen, you have one more item. Oh, I'm looking forward to this one. Oh, but I don't think I have it here with me. Oh.